Introducing the Boar ATV suspension lock from Camco. The ATV suspension lock prevents sagging in the rear suspension when carrying weight on your ATV. It's lightweight and constructed of durable, powder-coated steel. All of the different mounting and adapting hardware is included, so you can choose the right hardware that best suits your ATV. And it's easy to install. First, decide which hardware will work best for your ATV. Then, attach the control arm mounts to the ATV's A-arms with the tabs oriented inward. For our ATV, we use the 4 3/8" hex head screws, 8 3/8" flat washers, and 4 3/8" lock nuts. If the ends of the control arm mounts come into contact with the wheels or tires, cut the ends off, then repaint the cut ends to prevent corrosion. Next, use the 2 locking pins to attach a lock bar to each control arm mount tab. Insert the locking pins into one of the 2 holes on the end of each lock bar. Finally, overlap the 2 lock bars and line up the holes. Then attach the 2 lock bars together through the outermost holes using 2 5/16" hex head screws, 4 5/16" flat washers, and 2 5/16" lock nuts. Installation is now complete. It's recommended that the Boar ATV suspension lock be used with Boar implement lift and implements. For all other ATV operations, remove the 2 locking pins and detach the lock bar assembly. You do not need to remove the control arm mounts. The Boar ATV suspension lock from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.